3 things you didn't know about LinkedIn. Number 1. LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning is a valuable resource for acquiring new skills and deepening your knowledge in various fields. It offers courses on a wide range of topics, including technology, business, and personal developments. How to use it? Access LinkedIn Learning from the Learning tab on your LinkedIn homepage. Browse courses by category or search for specific topics. You can complete courses at your own pace and even add completed courses to your LinkedIn profile. Second, Alumni Tool. The Alumni Tool allows you to explore what your former classmates or colleagues are currently doing in their careers. This feature is excellent for reconnecting and expanding your network. How to use it? Simply type your educational institution's name in LinkedIn search bar and select Alumni. You can then filter alumni by where they work, what they do, and where they live now. Number 3. Advanced People Search Filters. LinkedIn search functionality goes beyond basic keyword searches. You can use advanced filters to narrow down your research results, find the exact people you're looking for. How to use it? When you perform a search on LinkedIn, click on all filters to access advanced filters. You can filter results by location, connections, current companies, past companies, industries, and more.